1, 2, 3. Rolling.
I'm saying hi first of all. Hi, little bees. All right, folks, this is it. This is day 18. We're going to be checking out the baits. My first inspection. Notice I'm not going to use the smoke. I probably should put the beekeeper's veil on, but I just don't want to use it, you know. So come here, little bee. Look at them. They definitely need more sugar water. I can tell you that right now. What we're going to do is we're going to remove the board closest to the edge first. And we're just going to hope that I can pull that sucker right out. As you can see, they ain't done jack to this board. Now, we're going to start moving the boards over, little by little.
Look at that.
And we're going to look. Now look at this comb here that they've drawn.
Wow.
Look how pretty it looks.
Wow.
There's nothing wrong with that comb, I can tell. I think there's a couple of larvae or something in the bottom there.
Oh, really? I don't see any.
Well, there's, I don't know, that might be a bad sign, the gray gunk or whatever that is. But let's put this down. Now come take a look at this next one.
Oh, wow.
This one is quite covered in bees. Okay, guys.
Oh, wow. This is wild. See the queen anyway?
Now a lot of them seem to be filled with just beeswax. I can't tell if that's capped.
I think maybe they're preparing it to put babies in.
Yeah, capped brood. We're only on day 18, folks. But look at all that honeycomb they've drawn out.
Wow.
Now let's look at the other side. Can you see the queen in here? Nope. There's nothing on this side except...
Look at all the colors.
Oh, move that smoker away.
Oh,
Just, yeah, quick. We started smoking the bees here without the queen. We're looking for the queen. Now, I don't see the queen here. So we're going to move this one down over here. Okay, we're going to go on to the next one.
This is incredible, Sean. Look at that.
Here we go. This could be the one with the... Hey, that's a bunch of capped brood.
Oh yeah, it is. You're right. And it's all velvety.
Do you think that's capped brood?
I think so, huh? Yep. That thing on the internet I was just reading says it looks a little bumpier like that.
What I want to know is what's that dark paraffin looking, the ones that are filled with dark.
Oh, let's hold it over so in case over the hive because it was saying the queen could fall off.
Oh yeah, we want to hold this over the hive in case the queen falls out. Well, I'm looking for the queen.
I don't even know exactly how I recognize. is so cool. Yeah, what's that stuff on the whiter stuff on the top? That's how they're capping.
That might be the honey.
Yeah, they might be capping honey.
That might be the honey they're capping, the white stuff. The yellow might be the cap brood. But I want to know what these, the ones that are filled with what looks like, what's that stuff you call? Not the paraffin, but the...
Oh, the propolis?
Yeah, the propolis or whatever. Okay, let me get this one back down. I haven't been able to see their queen yet. As you can tell, these bees are quite friendly, and I no longer care about smoking them, ever. I suppose it might be necessary someday. Now this one's a tough one. This one's heavy. Ah, look at the honey in there.
Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh.
Okay, we might be at our queen. This one's heavy. Look at the honey dripping.
Oh, wow.
See the honey dripping out of there? In the upper right?
Yeah.
Now that is a honeycomb. That's what the white is the honeycomb. So we got a lot of honey going on here. Still have not been able to really find the queen, but you can tell there's a heck of a lot of capped brood going on. If you see a bee whose abdomen is repeatedly being stuck into a hole, that's the queen laying eggs. Now let's look at the other side. Do you guys see her in there?
Hey, what are these two bees doing down here? Look.
Who knows? Okay, let me put this one down. There's a bee on the back of my neck. Do you see it?
Oh, it's starting to rain, hon.
Just leave the bee there.
It's starting to rain. Maybe we should...
It's starting to rain?
Yeah. We should probably discontinue this.
Okay, we're going to discontinue this operation. And I think the queen's right in the middle.
Oh, yeah.
Because that hive is really getting drawn out.
Yeah, they're going to work.
Okay, let's put these back in. Because we got a rainstorm coming. Come on, little bees.
This is amazing.
We don't want the rain coming down. It still feels like there's one on the back of my neck.
Let me see.
I don't think there is.
No, there's not. Oh, do you know what there is, though?
What?
It was like a flower. It's a ladybug, that's all. It's on your shoulder now.
Danged ladybug. Well, these bees, as you can see in my first inspection, are so friendly. And they're so super, like, they don't care about me. Now, you remember, my theory is that these bees know me. See that?
Yeah.
They know who I am, and they're not going to sting me. The only way they're going to sting me is if I actually make a mistake, or I'm too abrupt or threatening.
I just saw one of those black flies go into that other hole.
What other hole? This one?
Yeah, just up to the left of it.
That one?
Yeah.
Those dang black flies. I'm going to have to...
You might want to get some glue and...
A piece of gum.
Yeah.
Now, that was simple.
Well,
What
it's
we're gonna
not
do-
raining so bad right now.
Well, we didn't
I
get to
guess-
really inspect the hive. Unfortunately.
Yeah, it's still... No, it's raining still. We don't want to...
I'm going to put this down. I don't want to crush one single bee.
Oh, there's one on the edge facing you. Right on the edge of that board.
Oh, I see him. Get out of the way, little bee. He's got pollen.
They're all coming back now. They're like, it's raining.
Well, the rain is coming, so all I can say is I didn't see my queen bee.